Hi everyone, or hello to the one that's out there. I don't know. They said oh yeah. Let me start again. Hello, I'm Nona Grace. I was watching videos today and it said that we should say hello like you're the only one out there. Is there only one out there? That's pretty sad if there's only one. But you might be only one in your house watching me. Now I'm going to start over again because I don't like that. I like my intro better. Hello everyone, it's Nona Grace. Yep, that's how I like it. I like it that way best. Is that the better way? Yes, I think so. Okay, well anyways, I was watching videos today and I was watching some on how to make your YouTube channel better and what you should do to maybe have people watch longer. And they said that you should say hello like you're talking to just one individual out there, because maybe only one, maybe you want it to be personal, like to just you. Yep, just you. And they also stated that you should announce what your video is about. And then you're supposed to give a reason why they should stick around and watch it. Well, I do none of those things. It's so sad. I don't do any of those things. But what I want to talk about is I want to talk about some of my comments that really surprised me. You know, I showed my electric sewing machine. In my mind, my sewing machine's pretty modern. But I found out that there was some of them like have seen it in an antique store. I didn't think I was that old, but I guess I am. I guess I'm old too. But when I think about now when I'm thinking about my sewing machine, I think the one that I showed the first day, which is the treadle machine. No, that's an old machine. Then I have another sewing machine upstairs that used to be my mom's, and that was her electric sewing machine. And that one can only go forward and backwards, and it's a straight stitch only. Now my machine, which I thought was pretty new, but it's pretty old still, can go forward and backwards, and it can zigzag, and it can do buttonholes, and you can add a zipper attachment. It's got a lot of it can do a hemming thing. I was real, like I'm thinking it's pretty modern, but apparently it's pretty old too. And then I think about the computerized machines that can do all this other stuff that my machine cannot do. So I guess I have I just think of my machine as basic. That was one thing that I was thinking about in the comments. Also, I got a question. I got a lot of people are rooting for Emma. I'm rooting for Emma too. Emma still is in the box sitting on her eggs, but Emma got confused as to which box she was supposed to sit in, and so she was sitting in the wrong box. So I had to move her over to the box that her eggs were in. And then today she's in the wrong box again, so I'm thinking she wants to be in the middle box like she did the last 2 times that she hatched her babies. She was in the middle box. So I moved her eggs to the middle box, and when I moved her eggs, Emma pecked me. Well, the sore that I've got now has gotten way less. I'll just show you. It's a little, see the little red spot? That was black and blue, but it's so my husband says, well, I guess you're henpecked now. So I guess I am henpecked. Emma pecks at you. I go to put the egg in, and she puffs her feathers out, and you run into the quill of the feather, the hardness of it. And then she turns her head, and they can turn their head all the way around just about. And she pecks at you, and she scares you. And one time she pecked me. This was a long time ago. She pecked at me, and I actually got scared enough, and I dropped the egg and broke it. That was not a good thing. But she does peck at you. So Emma is in her box. And someone wanted to know how long it takes for her to have her baby chicks. She has to sit on those eggs for 21 days. Sometimes it's 20 days, sometimes it's 22 days or 23. When they hatch, usually when one or two hatch, she might sit there just a little tiny bit longer to try to give the other eggs a chance to hatch. And if they don't all hatch about the same time, then she gives up and gets out of the nest. And then that's it. Then those baby chicks are all she will have. But let's hope she gets some baby chicks, because Emma's a determined little hen. She wants to hatch them out, and if she doesn't, she will try and try again. Let's see, what else did I think I've talked about? Oh, you're supposed to have a great title for your videos too. Now that's a problem sometimes, because mine can be about almost anything. I don't know what the title will be for this one, because I'm all over the place. You're supposed to have a good thumbnail. Now, my thumbnails are usually me. They're a picture of me, which when you look at the little, when they have these little lists of things, and you've got, mine is always checked off. Apparently my thumbnails are okay. There's nothing great about them. I don't put any writing in them. They're not confusing. They're just me. So if you're looking for a video that I put out, you'll find it if you look for me. Once in a while I have something else there. And they said the best length for a video is 10 minutes. Well, sometimes mine are very, very short. I have a couple that are maybe a minute, if even that long. And then I have others that are a little bit longer than 12 minutes or 13 minutes. Now, yesterday's was pretty long, because that I was showing you something, and it's harder to do that. I got to bed so late. I think I published it just before midnight, so I made the deadline of midnight, which is terribly late. So I did publish a video yesterday. This one is for today, so that's what I'm going to publish today. So I will talk to you all at another time, because now I'm going to go upload this, and so you can watch me. So if you get to the end, now see, now I should do something there. If you get to the end of this video, tell me that my glasses are crooked, okay? They're not really crooked, I don't think, but tell me my glasses are crooked if you get to the end, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.